Alright, so basically I am testing out a ride around video. This song right here is called Just Because They Ain't Like You, and I was kind of nervous about putting this out actually because it's not where I'm at as far as right this minute. You know, these are old songs from the vault, so remember a lot of these songs years ago, and where I was then is not where I am now. But basically, this song is still about, I've always written songs really more for married couples or long-term relationships where the person is really 100% dedicated. I shouldn't say the person, the husband or the man, the bridegroom. He's 100% dedicated to the bride. He wants her to be there, and other things are just not getting his attention the same. And so these are songs you would sing to your wife. You know, even though it's not perfect in it, you know, because I've learned more spiritually, but basically it's a great song to jam. Feels like a club banger, but it's still about your wife. It's about someone that you don't want to replace. So anyway, this that forever love stuff, man, I'll be writing, you know. Thank you for riding and listening with us, man. I'm Shahid, singer-songwriter, Austin, Texas, artist. And yeah, man, I don't want none of these other chicks because they ain't like you, baby. It's for my wife, late night.
Yeah, they ain't like you, they won't do, they just ain't, they just ain't like you, girl, they won't do, girl, they won't do, they ain't like you, they won't do, if they ain't like you, then they won't do, see, to this, to that, ain't got it. Too many bones from her closet in her pocket. Ooh, give me all your loving, girl, you know I got that John. Never done a good dating scene, I'd rather leave it alone. Giving me all of that good stuff, girl, your body is too tough. None of these hoes can break me out of my spell, it's too rough. Don't move the same, they don't do the same, I just don't like they flow. Talking like I'm just another asshole, I'm not interested, no.
Just because they ain't like you, girl. Just because they ain't like you, girl. Just because they ain't like you,
just because they ain't like you, girl, I'm not interested. No,
just because they ain't like you, girl. Just because they ain't like you, girl. Just because they ain't like you,
just because they ain't like you, girl.
Promise you'll never.
It don't really matter, girl.
All of these
blonde,
seem to be the same.
Brunette,
promise you'll never go
curly, straight, tall, short,
be the same.
You know what I mean?
Promise you'll never
light skin, dark skin.
All of these
it don't matter what they say or what they do.
Promise you'll never
I'm all about you. Believe that.
Now that you love the mahogany, I'm down with monogamy. Now they are everywhere, girl, it's here where it ought to be. Roll the dice, look adjusted by the divine. Far away from all the swine and climb. Stepping away from all the prostitutes and sluts. Back that stuff up off of these nuts. For you I will not see. I got everything I need. Keys open up emotions, locking up the crazy notions. I'm not interested.
No. Just because they ain't like you, girl. Just because they ain't like you,
because they ain't like you, girl. Just because they ain't like you, girl, I'm not interested.
Now, just because they ain't like you, girl.
Hey.
Just because they ain't like you,
just because they ain't like you,
just because they ain't like you,
just because they ain't